It is an honor to name Madison Hieser of Pekin Community High School in Pekin, Illinois, as a recipient of a 2022 Monmouth College Trustees Scholarship. The Trustees Scholarship is one of our most prestigious selective academic awards. It covers full tuition at Monmouth College for all 4 years. We are thrilled for Madison. We are impressed with her accomplishments in high school and in her surrounding community. She will be a wonderful addition to the Monmouth College community.
I first met Madison at a high school visit at her high school earlier this fall at Pekin Community High School, and it was a room full of students and Madison was one of them. Madison waited until it was over to approach me, and she immediately had a friendly face. She let me know that her dad was a graduate of Monmouth College, which I immediately love. It's an instant connection that I have with that student and their family. She has been involved in so many different clubs. One that stands out is speech and debate team. Of course, that comes into play later on campus during her interview. Also, how absolutely earnest she is whenever you have a conversation with Madison. You can tell that she's really focused on what you're saying and taking in the information.
Madison spoke very eloquently about some of her experiences. So she is adopted from China, and she told a very nice story. And then that also led into us discovering that she is part of the speech team at her high school. And we currently don't have a speech team here at Monmouth, but I told her that I think she would be one of the students who could help restart it, which I think is quite true, that we could have a student like her be the impetus to put this new speech team in place. So I see her making contributions kind of across the board, and that would be one place in which she could do that. The way she told her stories demonstrated that she has true leadership potential. So Madison talked a lot about how she had room to grow, and I think that's one of the important things that successful Monmouth students have to realize, is that they have room to grow. And I think Madison will, not only will Madison grow here on campus, she will help the college change in a way that she will contribute to this campus.
My father actually attended Monmouth, and growing up, I of course got to hear some of his many stories, all fond memories of just, him and his friends, either it be pulling pranks, staying up late, just having a blast. Him and his fun professors, there are definitely some stories. Despite having all those fond memories that my father had, I didn't really have Monmouth on my radar, to be honest, until the admissions counselor came in and talked to our school, and I happened to go to that meeting that day, and I just was so drawn to just the community aspect of Monmouth, just how friendly she was. Of course, she was trying to sell me on the school, but and just the courses that Monmouth offered. So I went on a visit, and after going on the visit and just being on campus, I just knew, I was like, I don't think I could feel this way about any other campus. This is right. This is it. I was in my 5th hour. It was lunchtime, and I asked a teacher if I could step aside really quick and take this phone call, because I'd missed the previous one the day before. So I took the call, and I was speechless. I was speaking to Olivia, my wonderful admissions counselor, and she probably thought I wasn't excited. I couldn't even verbalize how excited I was. And I just couldn't wait to tell my parents, and it's like this huge relief now, and I'm just so thankful and incredibly honored.